Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV. Lawan Rashapi Taka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
So in the last few days, everyone has been wondering, 2 MLAs are suspended, what about the third one? I chose to keep silent. And when I look here, in the first row, 90% are ex-congressmen. Actually, there is nothing new between us here. It is a journey that we all take, and we decide to go right or left when we see the journey to the right is less beneficial to the people we represent. Situation demands that we should take the left road. This is the situation that we three decided to take. It is not that this right side, the road on the right is totally bad or has gone wrong. No, that road is still there. But for the benefit of the people who have elected us to bring changes and development that we also want to show, we have decided to take the road on the left. Kasih ka on kuno, Ïaid Nati mi Hati, Ïaid Nati mi Hati. You take any road, but take the road that gives the best benefit to the people. No hatred to anyone. But on a personal level, I appreciate the Honorable President of the National People's Party, the National President, who is also the Chief Minister. It is not easy for us to say, I'm leaving my parent party from which I was elected and to join another party. But the good commitment and the faith that we have between the Chief Minister and between us, with the hope that that agreement and commitment that we have will bring changes in our constituency, that paves the way for all things that is happening now. And always dream of good things for the state. And maybe today, through this government and through the National People's Party, we can make that dream come true. We cannot say that every nook and corner of Meghalaya will become like New York in 5 years' time. No. Development is a journey. But we have to take each step at a time. Problem comes only when you don't take any steps forward. That is the problem. So I hope with the combination, the strength of the government that we give by our journey, I think, sir, we are absolute now. Yes. The number is an absolute number. That number should give confidence to this government. That number should give courage to this government to decide. People may have misunderstanding, but as long as we decide for the good of the people, that courage should see us through this journey. I express my gratitude to all my friends who have come from Umsling constituency, also friends from Lyngdoh and Hati. Indeed, this last 2 weeks has been very stressful weeks. You don't see it in my face because my gray hair is hiding all that. But stress is there. But I hope this family that we are here now will take us all along. We might have little issues in my constituency, but we will get along. We will integrate both the existing NPP members and the new members that I will be bringing along. We will have a teamwork. So from my side, I only wish the best for the party the best for the government and the best for the state.